Jules, alingaw nag-video-video si Jules. Yeah. Jules, this is the air. Yeah.
Oh, you don't want to see a gun?
Mommy is here.
Si Ilis, nalingaw na. Ano? Idala na mo si...
Mommy,
Wait,
mommy.
yeah. We're here in museum. Oh, good job, Elise. Agoy. This is ang ngilngig ni siya kakuan. Oh, shark. Yeah. Look at the missiles. My gosh. The whole place gone when you get these missiles. Ngilngig, oh.
Money mga fighting.
Yeah, in
In
Vietnam.
World War II.
Yeah.
Oh, pinahal ni
Vietnam
Katuig
War.
yan.
Yeah, they preserve it really, really nice. That's how US is. Oh yeah,
It's still flying.
so yeah, you don't wanna. All of this they preserve it. Yeah. So cool.
Come here.
The 47 are we in the area called the H-13. And the requirement.
Yes. There's a stair, but you can't come in. It's big. Si Elise nalingaw ako sa kasaka. Sabi si Elise. Hi, there's Cecil. We brought her in here. Yeah.
We're
Yeah.
here at the
Airplane Museum. Yeah. Cool. Jules, enjoying us, Jules. This guys, this is super fast. This is like in Vietnam War, 2,000 miles an hour. That's like a lightning on this era. Yeah, this is super fast plane. Thank you guys for watching. Inday Ilis ganan kay diri ay. Ay Inday Ilis, you like that airplane? Ah, yeah, I know. He likes the shark airplane. Yeah. Oh, di pa ni siya mo andar. Pero mo andar ni siya kung if we want this to start. Yeah. Oh. Si Kuan, Ilis og si Kuan, si Dong Jules. Kay Kuan kayo ganan kay si Dong Jules. He likes airplane. So yeah, he's climbing up in this army airplane.